Good afternoon, students. I am Dr. Anil. I will provide a series of lectures on the human skeletal system. This is included in your Module 8 of Human Anatomy and Physiology paper. The summary of the skeletal system is described in the following topics, which is the skeleton, important bones and their brief description, overall idea of histology of bone, articulation of bone, which is joint. Skeletal system consists of mainly three parts: bones, joints, cartilage, and also the working part is ligaments. Ligament is essential for bone-to-bone connection, whereas tendon is essential for bone-to-muscle connection. Cartilage and joints are essential for bone structure maintenance, along with the alignment of bone and skeletal muscle. We have already known about the basic structural properties of human skeleton in your previous practical class. I have demonstrated the overall types of bones, location, and number of bones in our body. In the theoretical portion, we will cover basically the bone structure and functions. The skeletal system is divided into two parts: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is essential for maintenance of the body plane and axis, which is essential for the construction of the body. The vertebral column, skull, are the most important parts for axial skeleton, whereas appendicular skeleton are responsible for structural support and maintenance of the axial skeleton. Limbs and cardio, which are the most common part of the appendicular skeleton. What are the functions of the bones? For the construction of the body, structural support, and maintenance of the body weight, skeletal system is essential. Without bones, body support, body structural maintenance cannot be maintained. Number 2, protection of soft organs. For example, the inner body parts. Number 1, lungs. Lungs is protected by thoracic cavity, and thoracic cavity consists of several bones. Number 3, movement due to attachment of the skeletal muscles. Obviously, skeletal muscle is essential for body movement, and this movement of skeletal muscle initiates the bone movement. I have already discussed about the skeletal muscle, where how skeletal muscle is under control of voluntary response. They have been discussed. By using the contraction and relaxation of skeletal muscle, bones can be initiated the movement process. Number 4, storage of minerals and fats. Skeletal muscle is very much important area for storage of calcium, phosphate, vitamin D, and fat components. Last, the most important function of long and flat bones are formation of blood vessels. That's it, sir. RBC, WBC, platelets, these are the main components of blood cells. All blood cells are formed in different parts of the long bones and short bones also. The total number of bones in our body is 206. The construction of bone on the basis of components and histological pattern, we can divide bone tissue into two types, compact bone and spongy bone. Compact means this is homogeneous. Homogeneous means the components of the bone particles are continuous, present all over the part, whereas spongy bone is porous and forms small needle-like pieces within the area. It forms several open spaces, cavitations, through which different parts of the blood vessels and component of the materials, ions can be moved easily. Bones are classified by their shape. Our body and the movement of our body is initiated by contraction and relaxation of skeletal muscle. Our body parts, different types of bones are located for maintenance of the protection of the body, initiation of the movement, storage of the materials, and for different fine and restricted parts. Depending on the shape, bones are four types: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. On the basis of the shape, these bones are located at different areas. Long bones. Long bones are essential for movements mainly. For example, humerus, which is located in hand. Short bones are responsible for fine work, cardboard, metacarpal, yeast, etc. Flat bones. Flat bones are responsible for protection, for example, bone of the skull, and maintenance of the body balance, and irregular bones. The basic example of irregular bone is vertebral column, where construction of small vertebral parts form a rigid axial bone structure. Therefore, body structure and shape maintenance is the most important significance for four types of bones. Number one, long bones. Long bones are structurally longer than wide. Why? Because long bones are responsible for construction of hand, legs, etc. For structural support, there is an important significance for long bones. There is a shaft with heads at both ends. For maintenance of this construction, long bones are connected with lat bones, or short bones also. Long bones, for example, humerus, is connected with other axial bones or appendicular bones. The part of the long bone, humerus, is connected with two parts. Two end part, head, two heads are connected with another long bone and another axial bones. Therefore, for maintenance of the body structure, there is the essential significance of shaft. Another important consequence of long bone is the degree of compactness. Femur, humerus, are the most compact bone in our body. So, in this part, the materials of the bone parts are homogeneous, with full of potential to develop a strength in the body. This is the overall anatomical picture of long bone. In the next video, I will discuss the full histological structure of long bone. What are the components of the long bone? What are the different parts, histological layers, cells, functional support, functional cells? We all discuss in the next video. Thank you guys. Take care.